I just want to be free. And you're never gonna see that. I'm in love with friends. And you're never gonna be that. And you're never gonna be that. Don't take it to the tower. Come on. Don't take it to the tower. You keep telling me I'm not enough anyway. You keep telling me that you're gonna leave any day. I'm craving you on a high, on a high, on a high, on a high. 'Cause I need more. I can't get enough. I need more. When you get me young, I need more. I feel like I can't stop. I need more. A little bit more. Let's go! I need more! Give me more! I need more! I need more! I can't get enough, no more. The way you get me up, I can't stop no more. Yeah, do it more. Okay, guys, I want more. Do you want more? Do you want more? Let me hear you make some noise. Do you want more? More! Let's go! You wanna back and make that floor? What the hell was I thinking? All the time I was drinking. I feel a little bit failed. I feel a little bit wasted. Mostly out of my mind. I need more! I need more! You need more! Let's go. Thank you very much. Okay, so give me a second, please. Okay, guys, this is the last song from Okay, let's finish the last song, and then you see if you want more, and then you let us know, okay? Okay, this is the last song from our new album coming out early next year, so we just want to make it early surprise for you guys. So listen up. Let's go. Inside, like the dead in the eyes when you start to run away. You got the heart in the way. You got the love in the way. You like the dead in the eyes when you start to run away. Nobody else. I just want you. I just want you. I just want you. Okay, guys. We can go another song for you guys, but you're gonna tell me how you want it, okay? Do you want it slow? Or do you want it, funky? Okay, 1 second. Does any of you know a name of the song you want? Alright, stop for a second, Stop for a second, please.
Can't believe.
What?
Can't believe.
Okay. Random. on the down. Let me take it on the down. Thank you very much. Дякую.